Bop It, how to play. The object of the game is to respond quickly to the game's commands. Pull the blue knob to turn on the unit. Pull the blue knob again to select which type of game mode to play. Twist the yellow knob to adjust the volume. The unit will go to sleep after a few seconds of inactivity. Pull the blue knob to wake it up. When you are ready to begin, press the Bop It button to start. The solo game is for one player. That player holds the unit and responds to the commands that are called out. When Pull It is said, you pull the blue knob. When Twist It is said, you twist the yellow knob. When Bop It is said, you press the white Bop It button. The game will slowly speed up the longer you go. Once you mess up or are too slow, you're out and the game ends. The unit will tell you your score.
Score 56.
Play again to try to beat the high score. If you reach 100, you've beaten the game. Remove the batteries to reset the high score. The Pass It game mode is for more than one player. All the same rules apply, except there is a new command, Pass It. When you hear that, you hand the game unit to another player. Whoever messes up is eliminated from the game. Press the Bop It to continue playing with the remaining players until there is only one player left. Then, that player is the winner. You can also play each of these game modes with the harder Beep Bop mode. In Beep Bop mode, the commands are sound effects instead of words. The bass drum sound means bop it, the ratchet sound means twist it, and the whistle sound means pull it.